Now, a day ago or 2 days ago, rather, in a video, and you were outreach and get together, all program in my village, and our emoji during the opening prayer. So something came up. I saw somebody writing when they shared the post. Some people shared the video in their own platforms, in their own pages. Then somebody pointed out that na me kwesịghị ikpu okpu m n'isi m goji, na me kwesịghị ịsụ slippers n'ụkwụ go oji. That's na ekwesịrị m ịgba ụkwụ ọkpọrọ. I'm supposed to go barefoot before my goji, and that I'm not supposed to wear my cap before my go oji. That means that before my goji, I'm supposed to remove my cap. That is what that young man wrote. Now, the young man that wrote it, I am not against him, because okuru nga Ọmenala, okuru nga Ọmaduru. He okuru nga Ọmenala. Ema egalia gahulia, or ina gana pay attention, gana hu hendo ozo mega mana ma wejoku. Now you see many people that are in Ọmenala always see Ọmenala through the same lenses they viewed Christianity. You have to understand something. Ọmenala is different from Christianity. Ọmenala is different from Buddhism. Ọmenala is different from Islam. Yeah, they may have the same principles. They may have the same principles or a collective consciousness, but not the same protocol. Yeah, not the same protocol. Now, while in your church, I can remember Mama JJ church. Before I got to as a man. While as a woman, I got to cover your head. Instant, you cover your hair. But it is not like that in Ọmenala. It's never like that in Ọmenala. Some of you who think that a native doctor must remove his okpu before Iwaji, I want you to go to your villages and look at Ndi ala be nna gị. If they raise kola, do they remove their cap? They don't. I mean the elderly, the old people in your village. They don't remove their cap because they are not blessing Oji in the name of Jesus. Ejileja Jesus Oji, ejileja Jesus agozi Oji. Hani mega Omenala. Dibia for abe Oji, yaf abe gozi Oji, yaf abe Oji. Ige ekpu ga ahụ, ma o red cap o, ma okpu nwa agọrọ, ha sokwara ya wụrụ, ige ekpu ya, ma face cap, ige ekpu ya. Mi wo fe ka ho lo Oji baga ka kpuru okpu gi. Omenala did not tell you to remove your cap and wa Oji. Eze ejile ekputu okpu wa Oji. Eze's cabinet ejile ekputu okpu wa Oji. Ndị ọha ala, ndị Ishi ala ejile ekputu okpu tupu awa Oji. Ị ga-ekpu okpu gị wa Oji gị. That is tradition. That is culture. That is Ọmenala. That is Omenala. So I don't blame the people that said that I was putting on my cap. It is out of ignorance that they are saying it because they don't know. Maybe these are people that have been in Lagos, Ndi Igbo, but they've been in Lagos for 35 years. Onike he eji homolo hama na village. Oshishi eji homolo hama. Onike butuole, and if you tell them to come back home now, they go miss road. They no go no road to their house in the village. Talk more of knowing what the elders of their village do during Egoji and Ewa Oji. So I want to correct this impression. In short, I want to correct this misinformation, that misconception, where you exchange the concept of Christianity with the concept of Ọmenala. I want to correct it. While Christians will remove their cap, while the male Christians will remove their cap before they start doing their destiny, while they will do it, I'm telling you that in Ọmenala, we still wear our cap and may call upon the gods. After all, your holy sacrament here, your reverend father says, Well, I don't know about them, but I'm telling you that in Ọmenala, your cap stays as you carry the Oji. Network Nyegansobu. So, now, like I said before, cause our slippers. I was putting on my slippers then. Na goji, na unzu, na uedo, na me. Now some people said, is he supposed to? Network will frustrate them, and I don't like it. So now some people are just say, am I supposed to wear slippers? Many were saying that I'm supposed to go barefooted. Now let me make you understand something. You can go barefooted when you are with your oji. You can go barefooted with your oji if you are in the presence or if you are in your shrine. Na shrine ge ka ị ga-anọ n'ihu mmụọ gị. You can go barefooted there. You don't expect me to come to a village square or open space just because emega m omenala, because I'm onye ọdịnala. Na achọrọ m ịwụ ọjị. Akwe na anọ. And achọrọ m ịwụ ọjị. Achọrọ m ịtọ mme. Then asụ m shoe. Ma asụtuo shoe. Okay, network. So you don't expect me because I'm onye dibia. Then I'm on an open field. I'm not in my shrine. I know I'm not facing. And achọrọ m ịkpọ mme. Achọrọ m ịwụ ọjị. Then because of that, ma sutuo shoe, sutuo stockings. Zomokwu n'ala. Ma gị nwa su shoe ke gị. Isi m sutuo shoe, all of you guys sutucha shoe one by one. Do you understand? Then ma sutuo shoe, gbarụkwa ọkpọrọ ka onye ara na main road. Because I waga m ọjị, because I'm dibia, ma dị ka onye ara. Nge, ị ga-eso m sutuo shoe ke gị. Yes. In fact, not just shoe. Ị ga-asutu shoe gị, sutuo ihe ọbụla eso n'ụkwụ, ị ga-asutucha ya. Sutuo shirt gị, sutuo polo gị. Menye gị akwa white gị mara ya n'ukwu. Yes, ebe anyị fara ebe gbara. Ị ga-ama akwa white n'ukwu. Achọrọ m ime normal video, but enweghị m time ihe normal video ahụ. Network ya fọ ya bata. So, ebe ị chọrọ sị anyị yi omenala proper. Anyị fụta na open field bụ ime outreach or hey, make sure that you leave your shoe at home. Because I can't be holding the oji, baroko okporo gị nwa asụrụ shoe. Na-eme fine boy, na-eme fine girl. Don't come with shoe at all. Make sure that you are not coming with any shirt too. You will come with white wrapper. White wrapper like this. That is what you go keep them for your neck like this. Now like this you go there drive from wherever you're coming from. Like this, no shirt, no singlet. You will be bare. No slippers. Yes. Ebe no chọrọ sara chamacha ozugbo anyị. As a native doctor, as onye okporo, as onye agwu, the only place that you can remove your slip do I say that it is expected of you to remove your slippers, your footwear, is when you are walking into your shrine. Nga he dosara mmụọ gị, nga ahụ mmụọ gị nọ, nga ahụ agbara arụsị, nga ahụ ọnụ. That is why you pay that obeisance to them. That is why you pay that respect to them. That is why you remove that your shoe, that your slippers, and go barefooted and walk inside it. So nje wedding, I dress well. I dress them well. No, on senator, on native kaftan, then osurejibo shoe, jikejiyama. Now because he nyere m ọjị, shem gozi ọjị, maybe menye go ọjị, present ala go ọjị, get return ọjị, same ọjị eze, no eze. This thing more some court or I may normal video. The reason why I like these live videos is because people ask questions and I get to answer them. I may not have the time to answer those questions on normal videos, understand? But while I'm seeing them here now, I'll be answering them. If they're right, I'll read and I'll answer. Network why is the network too bad today? Network is too bad today. So now listen, you don't expect me to come to occasion. Then because I'm a native doctor, ma baroko okporo because he nyere m ọjị gozie, ma baroko okporo gozie m ọjị. It is not, yeah, are they applicable anywhere? Eh? That place in Bia is not my shrine, it's not my office. And when more not there, all more kurumu na more sebia na roke, man. So the people that said that they kwesimesu to slippers and the people that said they kwesimi upu, I want you to understand, I want you to learn. If you feel what I'm telling you it does not sit fine with you, go home, go to your village. Go and observe. Don't stay in town and be looking for Iri Ji Yam Omenala na Facebook. Again, I'm not na Facebook. For certain things, you need to go home. Barobo la village gijeje jondo kiya to eje me ya jondo joaka ji for village gi ma we kpo ya wedding or is your occasion ya bia because I will sue them. Yeah, ya were abroad come no now I will sue MTN to court for disturbing my broadcast like this. So go home and ask people in your village Omenala. Yes, don't view Omenala with the same eye that you view Christianity with. Christians believe that we make it. No be like that for us. Our women, they go without covering their hair. Go without covering their hair. While in Christianity, women are expected to cover their hair. Our men are expected to wear their cap. If you have it, put it on, don your cap, adorn yourself, guard yourself, and enter your ihummo. You understand me? While Christians are expected to remove their cap before going to their ihummo, that is before going to the altar or while going to the church. You understand? So don't try to interpret Omenala with what you know in Christianity. Omenala, drop whatever you know about Christianity. Relearn. Drop whatever you know about Christianity. Or when you mego Omenala, onye mo Omenala karịa gị. Ga para ebe na page gị. Ge share the video, ge je. Owogi onye mo Omenala karịa gị, ge je kpojama ya. Mo ụfọdụ ga ajụ ajụjụ first before ga mara na ị criticize ya or not. Mo ụfọdụ ga ajụ first ma hụ onye emega. Omenala ka ọdịnala. Do you understand me? Ga ajụ ajụjụ. So next time if you see a native doctor putting on his cap, now Iwaji, consecrating kola nut, breaking kola nut, it is pure, it is proper. You see a native doctor outside his shrine and he's putting on shoe, boots, snakeskin shoes, designer shoes with the kola nut. It is his right. He is still within his right. He is within his right to do that. He must not be a madman because of kekwala yaka. No, he must not be naked and come to that occasion. He will guard well and come to that your occasion. He will dress well from head to toe. He will not remove his shoe unless he wants to. Unless actually make shoe. Learn this. I don't care whoever you see that removes his slippers or his shoe or whatever. That is overzealousness. Let's talk get how So whoever it is that you're seeing that is removing his slippers, no mani more anoho there. Abara anoho there, but the person is removing his slippers just to gorge no. That is overzealousness. Yes, that is overzealousness. It is not Omenala. You can wear your shoe and gorge. You can wear your shoe and gorge outside as long as more is not there. But if you have more, even more ola, more ge, more onye ọzọ, ya ọ na-asị gị gorge there. Ọ n'ijere n'ihu ala. Shrine ala nno. JJ gorge, you are free to remove those. So you can remove that, and especially ịmara nsọ didibia nwere ike didibia nsọ ka ya wasụla slippers abịa ya. Enwekwa dibia ndị wasụla trouser abata n'ime shrine m. Enwere dibia ndị wụ agbala ọla ntị. Enwere ndị dibia wụ apam na isi gị abata. Ịmara nsọ ka onye ahụ mee ya. So now that I've said this, I believe I've cleared the air. So if you see a native doctor wearing his cap, now gorge, he is within his rights. In fact, that it is tradition. You don't remove your cap. You make a gorge. Nobody does that. Only Ofeke. will do that. So don't rush to judge what diggers are doing when you yourself are not, you are not sure. So that tomorrow, they sure, mattazie the principle and how it is being done, man the protocol, get a chai, MS akwalam up, ihere memage. Oh, just one small thing she make clear, but network ekwega home nijama. Ya gajina nwoke gajina nwanyị agreement. Later in the evening, I gave me video ọzọ. Enwere hem chọrọ call and enwere hem chọrọ shi. Anyị ule in the evening.